This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, auxiliary battery, skylight, oven, refrigerator, external shower, microwave, awning, TV, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD is 7,690 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.